Let's have a look at Excel structure. When you open your Excel application, here is the view that you will have. Uh, you have the sheet, that is the name of the container that you have here, and then you can have multiple sheets added here by clicking on this plus button. You can add as many sheets as you would like by clicking on this plus button as long as your memory allows it. But just bear in mind, after adding multiple sheets and adding multiple calculations and so on, your Excel document is going to become heavier to run and it might make it more difficult to open. You have this option to rename these sheets. You can right click and click on rename and give it a new name. In the middle, you have the grid section. This is the area that you will work within Excel environment, and any cell here that you see is denoted by a column and row. The columns are on top, as you can see, and the rows are on the side. So when I click here, I am referencing the cell F5, and on this section, you can see FY shown here. Other bits and pieces that you see on an Excel environment is, let's start from the top, is quick access toolbar, where you can add some command on top that you can access very quickly. I have another video about quick access toolbar. Then you have the ribbon section in the middle. This is where you will spend quite a lot of time. You have multiple actions available for you depending on the type of the command that you are applying. You can head over to different ribbon bars here. And then some additional information will appear for you at the bottom of the page. You can change the zoom of the page by clicking this plus or minus side in order to control the zoom of the page, and then different layout is available at the bottom for you as well. When you do certain calculations, let's say I am going to add two numbers here, 1 and 2, and if I select these two cells, some calculations will automatically appear at this bottom section as well. As you can see, it will show you the sum, it will show you the count, and it will show you the average as well. So this was a quick video on the Excel structure. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.